everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Advent kit. I am super excited for this kit and I just want to explain what it is because I know we've got a lot of new customers who weren't around last year who don't know what this kit is. We've been making Advent kits for a few years now. This is probably our third or fourth one. This is definitely our third one when we've been making our own papers. And how it works is inside this box you get 25 gifts. These are crafty themed gifts, so you know, the sort of products we normally make, like papers and stamps and dies and things like that. So every box has got 25 of these gifts. You get your little card in there and I'll explain that in a minute. So you have got all your gifts are wrapped. So this is day one and this is wrapped like a little present, and you open that on the 1st of December and then so forth, and you open day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. All the rest of them, there is a few in these envelopes, and again they're all sealed. You open these up every day till Christmas. So when the kids in the morning are popping out their little chocolate or opening up their little Star Wars Lego calendar or whatever it is they do, you can do one too. So these are Advent kits for mums and grandmas and anybody that wants just to feel special in the month of December. So what happens as you go through, you will open up all of the different days, and then as you go along there'll be some ideas in a little magazine that will help you create, and you ideally just do one a day until the 25th of December, Christmas Day, and you open your last one. Some people I know do open them all up early, and if you do, that's fine. You can rip them all open the second you get it home. That is absolutely fine, but please don't share what you've got inside your kit till the next day. So we have a really big community on Facebook. On our Facebook Uniquely Creative Crafting community, people will share on there things they've been making, but make sure you don't share any of the things inside this box until the next day. So for example, it tells you on the back here, here's your little instructions. Thanks for buying the Advent kit. It tells you, so on the 1st of December, everyone's going to open this one up, but don't share it on social media because someone might not be able to open theirs until 8 o'clock at night after they finish night shift or being a nurse or whatnot. So 1st of December, everyone opens it, no one shares it. Next day, social media, you can share what was inside this to your heart's content. Day 2, you're going to open it up and you might make something with it. Day 1, day 2, day 3, but don't share it until, like, don't use something from day 21 that people are going to see on day 1. Only share what has been revealed on social media. It's a bunch of fun. It is fantastic value. When I say that, I know it's expensive. It's $99 for the kit, but there is over $220 worth of product in this kit. It is all brand new, Uniquely Creative product that you haven't seen before. There is a few items in there, like just staple items, I'm going to say what they are, that we haven't in the range, but all of the collections are new, all of the designs are new on all of the products. That's really difficult to say without giving anything away. We've been working on this kit since April this year, so it takes a long time to put this together. It's one of our biggest releases. If you do choose not to buy the Advent kit and then you get halfway through December and you're kicking yourself, oh, I wish I got it, I love that, you will be able to buy all the individual products in January. So all of this goes on sale in January. All your stores will have it in there and you'll be able to buy all the products, but of course it'll be a lot more expensive than if you bought it in the kit. But I know some people make cards, for example, and they might only want a certain product and they don't want everything, so they just want to buy that one item later on, and yes, you'll be able to do that. Yes, you can order more than one Advent kit. As I am filming this, we released them 2 days ago. We do have a good number left, but I know they're not going to last long, so don't leave it too late to try to get one. So Advent kits right now are a pre-order and we are shipping them from the 2nd week in November, so they will start to ship from the 8th of November, which gives us about a 3.5 week lead time to get them to you. We are going to try to get our internationals out first, if we can, and we're going to get them out as soon as we can to you. If you order something else with your Advent kit, so if you order this tomorrow and you order something else with your Advent kit, that we're going to hold that rest of your order for you until we ship the Advent kits in the 1st week of November. So it's just 2 weeks away. We're going to get them all out. We do need to pack our November kit first, get that out so that we can get this done. We only have a limited amount of space, a limited amount of staff to be able to get all this done. But I am very confident, and a Soul Australia post, that everyone will get their advent kits for the 1st of December ready to start opening them up. So yeah, that is everything I wanted to tell you about the advent kits. Thank you for listening. Thank you to everyone who's already purchased one. Thank you for your support of our business this year. It's been a really tough year for so many, and we are so grateful that you have been purchasing from us, that you trust us, and that you really like our products. So thank you so much. We've been able to keep all of our staff in a job. In fact, we've just hired someone new to help us with our graphic design, and yeah, we just are so appreciative of all that you do for us. So thank you so much. Advent kit is here. I am so excited. I've been wanting to share this for so long, and I cannot wait for you guys to get it in your hot little hands. So that is all from me. Till next time, bye.